Wrong. The correct spelling is D-E-B-R-I-S. Debris. Okay, room 10. The word is fettuccine. It is a noun which means a narrow strip of pasta that is shaped like ribbon. We ordered fettuccine at an Italian restaurant. Fettuccine. Sorry. Fettuccine. F-E-T-T-U-C-C-I-N-I. Again, please repeat. Fettuccine. Say it slowly. F